Hey everyone, it's GCPD Code. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, simply come out to the task number one and scroll down a little bit. You will get the you will get the link in point number one of task number one. Simply open this link in incognito window and wait for some time. Then click on this profile icon and then click on the sign in. And then we have to sign in it with Google. And for email ID, come on to lab instruction page, copy this username, paste it here, and then copy this password, paste and enter. Then click on this I understand, then continue and then allow. Just wait for some time. Now click on this copy app icon and then for name come on to lab instruction page, and in task number one you will get this name, copy this name, and we have to replace this name with the copied name. So simply paste that name and click on copy app. Now just wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with this task. Simply come on to lab instruction page and click on check my progress for task number one. You will get the score here. So we have got the green tick here. Now for another task, come on to this AppSheet tab and scroll down a little bit. In this left hand side panel, scroll down a little bit. You will get this manage button. Click on this manage and then click on this deployment check and then click on this run deployment check. After that, scroll down a little bit. Click on this move app to deployed state. Now click on this share icon and click on this share links, and then what we have to do, copy this browser link and then paste it in new tab and hit enter. Then click on this zip to, and for all this detail come on to lab instruction page, directly come on to task number 5 and scroll down a little bit. You will get this table in point number 9 of task number 5. Copy this name and paste it here in product name and make quantity 4. Then for status select new, and for company select any company you want and then click on save. Now come on to lab instruction page and click on check my progress for task number 5. You will get the green tick here. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. This means that we have done with this lab. Now you can simply end this lab and you will get the full score for this lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you like this tutorial, simply hit the like and subscribe button.